Hello everyone, I'm Granny BB.
Now I'm Beth.
And today we are doing Harry Potter.
Whole bunch of Harry Potter. We got these at Target, these at Walmart, and these at Barnes & Noble, and we just couldn't wait and separate them into different videos, so we decided just to throw them all in one. Because if you don't like Harry Potter, you're not going to watch this anyway. So if you like Harry Potter, you're going to really appreciate the whole bunch of Harry Potter that we have.
Right.
So, we will probably do these right here first.
And then probably do these.
Yeah, so these right here. We'll do all this, and then we'll get all these out of the way, and we'll just move our socks because they're gonna fall over. Because these right here are like 15 days of socks. We got one with Hedwig, and then one with the whole like shield and stuff on it. So we'll do those here in a little bit. Get those out of the way. There we go. Maybe I should move that somewhere else before it falls. Okay, and so we will just do these here, and then we're gonna do these first because these right here are just Patronus crystals. LED light up keychains we found at Barnes & Noble, actually. So, I'm not sure what all the ones you can get, but I'm not sure there's, like, it says on here there's, like, 9 of them, so I don't know if there's just 9 of them or what. So, we will find out. Do you want to go first?
Yep.
Okay.
Ooh, it's all in bubble wrap and everything.
Yeah, it should have its own little, like, pouch. Too. Maybe.
Nope.
Maybe not. Nope.
It's a key ring.
Yeah, so it's a key ring. The crystallized one.
With the crystallized on it. And that's got a horse.
See?
I don't know. But you'll be able to, they'll be able to see it.
Let's see.
Oh, there it is.
There we go. It's
Now
light
you can
up.
see
And
it.
it twists and it lights up. Look at that little horse. That's so cool.
Yeah, it is.
And to turn off the light, you don't untwist it. To turn it on, you just twist it. And it just lights up everywhere.
And it's got a little Harry Potter thing here.
Yeah, so yours is a horse.
Yep.
So let's see what this one's. Hopefully it's something different besides a horse. Because if not, it's going to be real sad. Because it looks like there's like a cat, a horse, there's a dog, a rabbit, like a wolf, a doe, and a buck. And I'm not sure what that is. I think it's an otter. And it says there's a mystery one. So let's see. Let's see what we got here. It comes in a little bubble wrap bag. And then styrofoam. They make sure this thing doesn't break at all. Let's see, we have is that a phoenix? I think I got the
Oh my goodness.
I got the mystery one. I'm pretty sure it's like a phoenix.
Yep. That's what it is.
See, I'm just wondering if I can. There's not a white. No, we can't see that. Here, let's see if I can put that behind it. I don't know if you can see it better or not. Look, it's a bird.
It looks like a phoenix one.
I think it's like I think it's a phoenix. So how exciting is that? That doesn't show on here. There's question mark. So more than likely you got the question mark one. That's awesome. The mystery one.
Awesome.
I like these. They're pretty heavy duty
Oh
too.
yeah, they are.
So
It's like glass.
yeah.
So now we
we
will be doing these. And I don't know if you guys can see what them are, but they're all the wands in Harry Potter.
We have Harry Potter, Cedric Diggory, Rufus Hagrid, Neville Longbottom, Ginny Weasley, Lucas Malfoy, Narcissa Malfoy, Nymphadora, there we go, Nymphadora Tonks, Ron Weasley, Hermione Granger, Luna Lovegood, and Draco Malfoy.
There's a lot of them.
You can get all 3 of the Malfoys. So we have what? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So, and there's 12 to collect, so.
You can go ahead and go first.
Alright, I'll do this first one. And, there we go. And let's see what we got. We have, who's that one? That one, I think is Harry. I think I start right out with Harry's. Ooh, throwing stuff over here. Okay. And these are real, like, heavy-duty little wands here. And they come with a little wand stand. You just gotta put together. Oh, there we go, yep. So you just put a wand stand together, and you have a little stand for your wand there. Yep, we got Harry Potter's wand right there. That's a good one to start out with.
That's a good one to start out with. Okay. Here's this one. Whose is this one, Beth?
Okay, let me see. We got, show them too. Let's see. Looks like this might be Hermione's.
Hermione's?
Yeah, I think so. We'll have to take it out and make sure. But I think it is.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, the little things on the boxes here, just a little small, but
Oh my goodness, that thing
yeah.
is
Let me
heavy.
see, make sure. Yeah. Oh, it's square. No, you got one of Sirius Black's. Oh, this one has a different
Wow.
one. This one's a different one. This had a different box, man. You got a different one on. Oh, yeah, this one right here is one of the different ones. Let's see.
Is it?
Yeah. Oh, we must have different kinds. Yeah, you have one of the one of Sirius Black's. He had two different
Awesome.
kinds.
That is
Yeah.
awesome. I like that.
Oh yeah. Because this one right here, I got Harry's, Victor Crumbs, Remus Lupin's, Newt Scamander's, Ron Weasley's, Hermione's, Albus Dumbledore, Seraphina, Alistair's, or Sirius Black has two different kinds you could have got.
Wow.
So we must have different. We have different.
That is pretty cool.
All right, so this one right here, this is the one we can get 12 different ones. The other one we got, let's see, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, only 11 of them. So let's see what this one's gonna be. Oh, this one's in a black bag. Oh, they got all fancy and got in a black bag, so we can actually get two Harry Potter ones. You know, from different series, but I mean, it's gonna be the same one now.
Yeah.
Let's see, we got. Oh no, whose is this one? This one is. Oh, who's this? I think it's not Ron's. It could be Ron, or yeah, I mean it could be Ron's. I think this might be Ron Weasley's.
Pretty cool. I meant they are in good shape though.
Yeah, and they're
They're
real
really
heavy.
nice.
Like I said, they're the 4-inch wands, and they're metal wands. They're not they're not plastic or anything.
No.
They're and they all come with the same stand. So,
Right.
but yeah, these are pretty.
Those
awesome.
are pretty
I'm pretty sure
cool.
That's Ron's.
Yeah.
So yeah, make sure to look on the back of your box. Make sure it's
It's the same one you had the first time.
yeah. So it's so this was a different one. Oh, let's see what we got.
Oh, like the
Oh, that is Victor Crumb.
Victor Crumbs. It'd be nice if we got every one of them. I mean, you know, the ones that's on
oh yeah, because that
one
one
box.
right there. These are all there. See, this has Series 3 on the top of that one. Oh yeah, these we have Series 3s and then we have just regular Series 1s, I guess. So we have a mixture of them.
So this one is the one I just got. That
Victor Crumb.
is awesome. And they ain't plastic either. If they are, they're the hard, nice
No,
plastic.
those are.
I think they're like,
yeah, those are. It says die cast wands with a stand. So yeah.
wow, they're die cast, guys.
Okay, so we'll go ahead and do a Series 3 because I just noticed they had Series 3 on some of these. So this is the one where you can get 12 different ones. So maybe we'll get Rubit,
And this one is
Hagrid's.
the same one.
Yeah, they're pretty much all the same. We'll get Rubik's. Maybe we'll get Hagrid's. Let's see. Oh, I don't think I got Hagrid's. The way it feels in the bag. Oh, I have. Who's this? I think this is Luna Lovegoods. Oh yeah, this is Luna
Oh my
Lovegoods.
goodness. I like that. Looks like a
It's real-
flower at
yeah,
the end
it's
or a
little
broom.
flower. No, it's a little flower part at the end here.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, it's real pretty. I like that one a lot. So, get out the same little stand there. There you go. Luna Lovegoods.
Sorry for the coughing, guys. Got a little bit of a cold. I think everybody's been getting it. Okay.
Okay, which one you got there? This one. That one might be Hermione's. Yeah, I think that one's Hermione's. Yep.
Awesome. There's Hermione's.
Yeah, she has all those little vine twists on it and
Uh-huh.
stuff.
That is awesome. That is so cool. These things are...
Yeah, they're totally worth it. Okay, now we're back to the first series, I think. Let's see what we got here. Oh, who do I got? I got someone awesome. Who's that?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I got I got Dumbledore's wand.
Awesome.
See, and there is Dumbledore. Oh, this one's even heavier than the other ones.
Oh, I bet.
Dumbledore's wand right here. I think this is the older wand. But yeah, this little etching right there and stuff.
Cool.
That's real awesome.
I like the end of that.
Yeah, that little knob right here at the end.
Uh-huh.
That one's really cool. I like this one a lot.
Oh, yeah.
So,
That is cool. Now I've got...
there we go. And
What one?
Dumbledore's.
I got Series 3.
Oh, Dumbledore's fell over. No.
We're going to cut the top of that because it's taped. Well, the bottom's easier. So I'll just cut the bottom of it.
Yeah, those are in the black bags.
Yeah. Here we go.
Yeah.
And I got...
Oh, who's that one? That one is Neville Longbottoms.
Neville Longbottom.
Got Neville's.
But I like that one because it's got them 2 different colors on it.
Yeah.
It really looks cool.
All right.
Where's my...
Oh, where's your bag at?
You
Oh,
threw
it's right
it
here.
away?
Here. There's that. Okay.
Throw all my stuff away.
All right. Here's the last one for me. Let's see which one we get. Let's get a good one. Let's get a good one. Oh, we got a duplicate. We got Victor Crumbs.
Yeah.
Duplicate of Victor's.
That's
So
only one.
only one out of all these. That's pretty
cool.
good, actually.
Yeah.
So far. Let's see, this is your last one.
Yep, I got that one.
Yep. Susie.
Is that a...
I think that might be a duplicate Harry wand. Yep, that's
Yep,
a Harry.
that's a Harry wand.
Potter wand.
Yep.
Yep. That's alright though. Out of all these, you only got 2 ones. Here, put it there.
Yep.
Out of all these, you only got two duplicates. That's pretty good, actually.
Uh-huh.
That's
Oh, yeah.
real good. Okay. Alright, now on to our socks.
Right.
So you just want to do like you open number 1, I'll open number 1, and go back and forth like that?
Yeah, we can do that.
Alright. Okay, and we get 15 days of socks here. These was $15 at Target, so it's like $1 a sock. That's a really good price
Right.
on that one. It's
And
really good.
Show them that picture over here.
Yeah, so
No,
you
the
got
other side.
Hedwig here, and then you come over here, and you got Harry. Oh, hold on, there's a glare. There we go. Harry with Hedwig, so it's really awesome.
And then mine has the front like this with the 15 socks, and then it's got that. I love this.
Yeah, tip it. There you go. Keep tipping. There you go. See, it
It's got
says the
the
whole
whole-
Hogwarts school.
Uh-huh. And then it's
It's
got...
real awesome. So we're going to cover up the Hogwarts school, so we can do this.
Right.
And so you going to go first?
Yep. Oh, where's it? Right there.
These are probably a real. If we were monetized, we'd be demonetized.
This
you go.
cardboard is tough.
Yes, real hard plastic. Oh, look,
Oh,
you got.
my goodness.
I got it.
Look at them. Those are awesome. I like them.
Yeah, what are those? Like all different. Oh, these are Gryffindor.
Yeah,
Those are Gryffindor socks.
Gryffindor. I like that.
Okay, let's see what mine is here. All right, hold on. We had to take a little break, and we had to stab holes in all of them so we can just get it. But this was in number 1. It had a little Harry Potter with the whole Harry Potter glasses and,
Oh, that's
and
cool.
the scar. So nice.
I like them.
Okay, now you're number 2.
Number 2.
These are real heavy duty boxes, though.
Oh,
guys.
yeah. They're heavy duty.
They definitely are not one of those that's gonna be like real flimsy and stuff.
Okay. Oh,
Oh.
wow.
Has
It's got
all,
H on it.
and it's for Hogwarts, and you have all
Uh-huh.
the
It's
whole
got
shield
the
there,
whole shield there.
and all 4 colors there.
Yeah. Those
Those
are
are
nice. And they're nice,
Awesome.
dirty socks, too. Those are cool.
All right, let's see. Let's see what's underneath the sorting hat one. Come on. These boxes will not be saved. Let me tell you that right now. Okay. Ooh. Look. And I think when under whatever it is what you get, because I got one with the hat on it. Says sorted.
Wow.
You can see that one a lot better.
That
See,
is
look,
cool.
sorted. These are just so, and they're real soft too.
Oh,
Real
yeah, they're
soft.
nice socks. Okay, number 3 right here.
Your Harry Potter. I wonder if it's a Quidditch sock. That would be awesome. Yeah, just make a hole pull to the hole.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Those are cool.
It's Potter's number. It says H. Potter. It's like his jersey. That is awesome.
Yeah.
That is so cool.
That would be cool to get a jersey and wear these with it. That would be awesome. That is cool.
Let's see.
I like these socks.
Hedgewick. Let's see if we have Hedgewick socks. If not, it'll be really sad. Not pulling. Yep, there we go. We got cartoon version of Hedgewick.
Cool.
The other side's better, maybe. Okay. Yep. It's awesome. So nice.
I like these socks. They're pretty cool. Just getting them out.
Yeah, just trying to get them out is what's really hard. Yeah,
They're
pulling
coming
through the
out.
hole. It's pulling straight through the hole there. There you go.
Oh, them are
They're shorter ones.
Shorter ones. And they're Harry Potter.
Well, of course, his glasses and his thing there.
His glasses and his thing there. That's his symbol.
Yeah, the whole symbol and stuff. So, see, I have a feeling this is going to be a Slytherin sock because it has the Slytherin right there. Shout out if you are, comment below if you're a Slytherin. Granny BB's a Slytherin.
Yes, I'm a Slytherin.
No, there it is, a snake.
Yep.
Slytherin.
A Slytherin.
Yeah, that's actually pretty cool though.
Mm-hmm.
Little snake
You
thing
got
right
the fangs right
Yeah.
here.
That's pretty awesome.
Cool.
Alright, there we go.
Okay.
Slytherin socks. Oh, one of those are Ravenclaws. Because I am a Ravenclaw. That's why I can't wait to open the Ravenclaw one over here. Ooh, yeah.
Yep. And they're the short ones.
Ravenclaw socks. Shout out to all Ravenclaws.
That is pretty cool. That is pretty cool.
Alright, here we have number 5 here. Oh, that's really difficult to get open. These are probably just regular Hogwarts socks. Yeah, they're the short ones though, but they're blue. There's a little Hogwarts shield on it.
Yep.
That's pretty awesome. Those are pretty nice.
Yes.
Oh, Dumbledore socks. This would be interesting.
I'm hitting my finger on that box.
Oh, here's the long
Oh
ones.
my goodness, look at them.
And it says Dumbledore right here on the side there.
Ah,
It has his wand and everything. That's awesome.
that is really cool.
Okay, and this one here has Hogwarts School on it. So let's see what this is going to be. Jeez. This will help you build up arm muscles. I'll do that right now.
It sure will.
Oh, these are awesome. Check it
Oh
out.
yeah.
That
Hogwarts.
is awesome. There's Hogwarts down the side there. Just those colors right there. My gosh, I'm gonna have a ton of socks to wear.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, I forgot to punch
Winter
this one.
socks.
I forgot to punch that one.
Oh, I guess stab it. Demonetized. Even though we're not even monetized.
There.
Not yet, anyway.
You have to punch it. If you don't, then it won't come open.
It's real hard. Real thick.
I just make a little hole and come on out. Harry Potter.
That one's cool.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it even has the Quidditch
Little-
ball right
uh-huh.
there.
That's so awesome.
Alright. Ravenclaw socks. Let's go. Okay, let's see what these look like. Awesome. Yup. Just like I thought. That looks awesome.
Oh, that is.
Ravenclaw right there. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Ravenclaw socks.
Those are awesome.
Gotta love them.
Okay, this says the
Marauders map.
Oh my goodness.
These are going to
Here's
be
the
so
gun.
good. These are good.
Oh yeah, I got little footprints on there.
Mischief managed.
Oh, that is awesome.
They're not long enough to put, you know.
But that's okay.
I'm up
I
to
like
no
the
good on
sword.
it, but
I like the shorter socks.
those are awesome. Okay. Okay, that was 7, so I need 8. Ooh, they have letters on it, so I wonder if it's going to have little Hogwarts letter things on it. Yep.
Yes.
Yeah, these are the short ones, but yeah, you get your Hogwarts letter. I gotta get the paper off. Little Hogwarts letters, socks. Yeah. See, I know my niece would love all these socks.
Oh,
She's
yeah. She's a big
Harry Potter fan.
Potter fan. Right
Oh,
here.
we both have the same number 9s.
I wonder if they're the same or
I
a
wonder if
little
they're the
bit
same
different.
sock. Except for your 9 3/4 sign's a little like.
Yeah. Oh my
Let's
goodness.
see. I guess we'll find out whenever I open mine.
Those are
9
awesome.
3/4.
Forgot what that part was. Platform.
Yeah, that's where they go to get on the Hogwarts train.
Oh, okay. That's cool. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
All right, let's see. Oh, I just ripped the door right out of that one. But yo,
No, that's
mine's
pretty cool.
different. Yeah, look.
That's pretty
9
cool.
3/4 platform. I like these. These are nice.
Mm-hmm.
They are real nice.
I like them. Okay. What's
Okay,
next?
number 10 is right there.
Okay.
Here's his luggage. Just gonna make a small enough hole just to rip your socks through.
Back to the Hogwarts.
Oh, back
To
to Hogwarts.
Hogwarts. Oh, I like
That's
them.
awesome.
I like them. Those are cool with that lettering right there. I like it.
Okay, and we got old Gringotts there, where you go to the bank in Dagon Alley there. So, ugh. I'm just gonna start tearing off the doors. What I'm gonna start doing. Oh, there we go. You got the Gringotts symbol there for the. Oh, you can see that one better, but you can see this one better. For
That's pretty
the
awesome.
bank. That's awesome.
Okay, mine's number 11.
11 right there. Oh, you got yours is Hufflepuff.
Yeah.
Come over this way, but you're a little out of the frame. There you go.
Oh, them are
Hufflepuff, those are
awesome.
My brother's gonna
Right
try to steal
there.
those.
Yeah.
His foot's too big.
Yeah.
He can't have those.
No, we can't.
He'll try though, but he can't have those.
No.
All right, and now we have Gryffindor socks.
Go there. No, don't
Ow.
go there.
There are some Gryffindor ones here. Oh, these are pretty awesome.
Yeah.
Oh, lion. So, again, shout out to all Gryffindors. Let us know if you're a Gryffindor.
Yep.
Those are pretty cool. I like those. I like those a lot.
Awesome.
Even though I am a Ravenclaw. Those are pretty. I can't. Gotta give. Oh, you got,
Yeah. I like
I
her.
can't think of her name now.
I
But I
like
love
her.
her. Oh, there you go.
It's got H
Oh,
on it.
They're just Hogwarts. Those are awesome.
I like that. I like the color.
Okay.
That's a nice color of them.
Okay, my 12 has a little silhouette of Harry and Ron and Hermione. Let's see what these are. I could just take them off from the top of another one, but what's the fun in that? Oh, it's the same thing that's on there. It's just their silhouette still.
Yep.
That's awesome. 3 best friends.
Yep.
And then you get the school back there.
Just going back and the little cross right there. That's the.
Yeah, little stars and stuff up there.
Mhm.
That's awesome.
Okay, let's see here.
Little pile of socks right here, guys. I'm excited.
We got new socks.
So excited.
This is a Slytherin.
The Slytherin socks.
If I can get it out.
I think they're long socks.
Yep. There they
Oh,
are.
those are cool.
Yeah, they are.
I think or most of yours were,
Slytherin.
no, most of your, house socks were long ones, weren't they?
Oh yeah.
Maybe. Oh, except for your
The top. I think I got about
except
half.
for that right there. Okay, right here I got all 4 houses right there. Let's see what these are. Oh, jeez, okay. That should be good enough. Okay. Oh, it's just the outline of them again. But look, that is awesome.
Oh, that's cool.
I don't know why I ever show you the other side, because they're the same sock, but you know.
Right.
Apparently just... Ta-da! Now you see it? Now you don't. Now you see it? Now you don't. These are awesome, though. I like these.
Okay, we only got 2 more to go, guys. Oh, these are cool.
Oh, you got the platform. You got the snitch.
Mm-hmm.
There you got Harry. You got almost every part of the...
Every part of the...
Except for like the house
Harry
thing
Potter.
right there. Alright, I got Hogwarts train on this next one. So let's see what this one's gonna be. I wonder if the Hogwarts train's gonna be on that one.
Yes. Oh,
Someone's
okay.
gonna steal them from me.
That's right.
Granny BB's gonna steal them from me because she likes the train.
Yes, I do. I love the
Hogwarts
train.
the Hogwarts Express.
Maybe I'll trade her a pair for another pair.
Tradesies. I'll take tradesies. There you go.
So,
Those are awesome.
then I got the...
Oh, Hedwig
Hedwig.
with the letter.
Oh, cool.
Oh, the letter
Hedwig
one.
up there, and then...
Oh, so you got letters on yours too. I got one with all the letters on it too.
Yeah, with the...
I didn't get the Hedwig on mine. Though. All right.
That's it.
Okay, my last one has Hufflepuff socks. So let's see what these Hufflepuff socks are. Ugh. These are completely worth $15.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, look at that. That's awesome.
They're nice looking socks.
They're awesome.
I like that.
They're
That's
real. They're
cool.
real good quality socks too. It seems like.
That is
So,
awesome.
That's Hufflepuff
I like
right there.
that
That's
figure.
awesome. Got a little badger on there. That's awesome. So,
Well,
boy,
guys, that was awesome. Look at all these socks we got.
Yes.
There's
That's a lot
30
of
pairs of socks.
30 pairs of socks, $30 because they were each $15.
Mhm.
So it's $1 a pair of socks. Now,
Right.
that right there, you cannot beat that for Harry Potter stuff.
Nope.
Because most of the time, Harry Potter stuff goes real high.
Yep.
So,
Hey, guys.
all right, here's the whole Harry Potter haul. All of our socks.
The whole
all the
thing.
wands and everything. Yeah, just look at all that. That right there, it's not a bad Harry Potter haul, especially if you're a Harry Potter fan.
Right.
Okay, we're fans. There's some people that are super fans,
Yep.
but we're fans. We watch all the movies and stuff. So
We sure do.
yeah, just let us know down below which one of these things was your favorite. Was it the socks? Was it the wands? Was it all of them? Was it? I wonder if it's gotten a little darker in here. The sun went down. You can see that still. Nope. It just makes a sweet little glow though.
Yeah, it does.
That's awesome. Okay.
Yes.
But, so yeah, so if you
Pretty
like this
cool.
video, hit the like and subscribe button to be part of our little playroom group. And, yeah, hit the notification bell so that way you can be alerted the next time we have a video out.
Yep.
And, yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this. Bye. Thanks for
Bye,
watching.
everybody.